Tenses subject English. So according to the situation, we have only three things in our English, which is present, past, and future. And after putting the different situation in these tenses, we have 12 tenses. Okay, first one, a present simple tense in which nothing is we have to change with the verb. हम लोग इंग्लिश के टेंसेस में क्या करते हैं, वी हैव टू बिल्ड अ चेंजेस विद द वर्ब, जो कि हमारे टेंस में वर्ब क्या कहलाता है. व्हाट इज वर्ब, कैन यू डिफाइन?
वर्ब इज एक्शन वर्ब.
वेरी गुड, एक्शन. हमने वर्ब को फर्स्ट फॉर्म में, सेकंड फॉर्म में या थर्ड फॉर्म में लेके जाना होता है, फिर हम बता सकते हैं वेदर अवर टेंस इज सिंपल, इज पास्ट और इज प्रेजेंट. ओके, so first and the basic tense is present simple tense. The example of the present simple tense, in this tense action is done, action is still going on, and we don't have any idea when it will be done, or maybe it will be it done or not. This is a simple tense. Okay, in a present simple tense example, I play with my friends. There is no condition, there is no time, there is no action. We can't say that action is still going on or action has to be done in the past or it will be on the future. There is a simple tense. Here is an example, I play with my friends. Does any other example came into mind according to the present simple tense, Maheen? Do you have any other example? ये बिल्कुल सिंपल टेंस है आपके पास, यहाँ पे कोई चेंजेस नहीं करनी है आपने.
आई गो टू स्कूल विद माई फ्रेंड्स.
वेरी गुड, आई गो टू स्कूल विद माई फ्रेंड्स. वेरी गुड. ओके, अब हम नेक्स्ट चलते हैं पास्ट सिंपल टेंस. पास्ट की बात हो रही है, मतलब कोई ऐसी बात जो कि आप पास्ट में कर चुके हुए. इसका मतलब हम चेंज किसके साथ करेंगे, वर्ब के साथ. तो आपके पास ही तो एग्जाम्पल थी, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 थी आई प्ले विद माई फ्रेंड्स. इसमें वर्ब किधर है?
प्ले.
प्ले, वेरी गुड. देन वी हैव टू चेंज द वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस. हेयर वी हैव द टेंस पास्ट, सो वी विल चेंज अवर प्रेजेंट वर्ब इनटू पास्ट वर्ब. सो वी विल यूज ed. Example, yesterday I played with my friends. You can say that yesterday I go. Do you have any idea what is the second form of the go?
Go.
Yes, second form of verb of go.
Yesterday I went to school.
Yes, very good. Yesterday I went to school with my friends. Very good. So now the condition is went to the future. The future, हमें तो नहीं पता ना कल क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, पता हम लोगों ने अभी फैसला किया है, हमने सिचुएशन दे दी है कि हम ये काम करेंगे या ये काम होगा. सो इन अ फ्यूचर टेंस द एक्शन विल बी डन. सो एग्जाम्पल, टुमारो आई विल प्ले विद माई फ्रेंड्स. वी हैव टू यूज विल with the verb, with the action word. So example, tomorrow I will go to the school with my
friends.
Very good, with my friends. Is verb used in each type of tenses. Each type of tenses mean in the past, in the future and in the present. So we will start with the present simple tense. This tense describes the action happening now or regularly. Okay, any action that is happening in the present form, in the present situation, or that will be happen regularly, continuously, you will use a specific verb for the present simple tenses. So we have example, I play with my toys every day. Can you tell me, Maheen, what is the verb in this tense?
Play.
Play. Very good. So in this in every present tense, in a simple present tense, we have to use a first form of verb. In a present simple tense, we have to use which form of verb? First form of verb. Okay, so we will move to the next tense, which is past simple tense. Can you tell me which thing is satisfied and described by the past past shows the action that is
happening in the past.
done, not happening. That is done, that is happened in the past. Okay, this tense describes actions that happened in the past. For example, now you are in the class, but in the morning you had your breakfast. That is your past. Now we are learning, we are seeking something. This is the present. At night you will watch TV. That will be the future. Okay, in a past simple tense, this tense describes action that happened in the past. So, if we have to change our first simple tense into a past simple tense, what we will do with the verb? Example, yesterday I played with my toys. We have to change first form of verb to the past participle. Second form of the verb, play, played. We will use ed with play. Okay? Yes? Okay. Okay, next, future simple tense. This tense describes action that will happen in the future. We are done with that action that is happening in the present. We are done with the action that is happened in the past. Now the action will be happen in the future. The coming day, coming night, coming morning, coming Tuesday, coming Wednesday, anything. Future simple tense example. This tense describes action that will happen in the future. The example, tomorrow I will play with my toys. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Mahin, can you give me an example of simple present simple tense? Rather than this, any other example from your daily life if you have. Any example
I
that
take
explain.
a bath every day.
I take a bath every day. Very good. Now change this into past.
Yesterday I took a bath.
Very good. Future.
Tomorrow I'll take a bath.
Very good. Tomorrow I will take a bath.